Hello everyone, a warm good morning to all of you. So, hope you are all good. Uh, Today in this session, we are here will discuss about the expected date of the SSB examination. As we all know, on 19 April, uh, it was the last date of online application for the SSB lectures, and question arise when the examination going to held. So I am going to quickly present a proper analysis, a systematic authenticated analysis before you, that what would be the expected date of our examination, because it's important to know that when the exam will be conducted. No one know about the date of examination. So as we are as a serious aspirant, we prepare for this examination, our responsible that we should know what is the expected date. So through this 2 or 3 PDF from the last the trend of the SSB examination, we'll try to know that what would be the expected date, how the exam did conduct in last times, what is the duration of the last time, and accordingly we will be derive presumptions with respect to our future examination. So on this note, let's start our discussion. So as you can see on the screen, that clearly mentions staff selection board. Okay, staff selection board, higher education department, government of Odisha. So it is a advertisement number 2 2023, date 11/9/23. That means the advertisement date for requirement of lectures in non-government aided college of Odisha. So it was the last uh, the advertisement, okay, for the requirement of 2023. Okay, accordingly you can see the opening date of the time of this 2023 paper of SSB lecture was 11 September 2023. That means in the month of September 2023 there was a notification for online application of SSB lecture. Then the closing date of this online application was 13 October 2023. That means within 1 month they basically close this system of online application. Why I am highlight this thing? Because we will get know that how was the previously exam was conducted, and what would be the expected date of upcoming SSB lecture examination. Because without knowing proper the date or the presumption based idea, we cannot make the our preparation boost or the very strong. Okay, so here that's why I am going to tell you. So this is how, as we discussed, that this is the paper of last examination in this month they release, and that is how tentative basically date of the closing. Then we will see. So as basically we notice in the last PDF that discussed the 2023 SSB lecture paper. Okay, SSB lecture paper, and the date of 11 September 2023 they release a notification, and last date was that is the October 2023. Okay, then the date of examination was finally the date of examination, written examination, date of written examination was your March. Okay, my mistake, your December 2023. Okay, again I am repeating. In SSB in 2023 SSB released a notification on month of in the month of September. Okay, and the last date of its application, online application, October. Okay, October 13. Then the written examination is basically on the month of your December. So what is the time gap here? If you notice, analyze the time gap is basically what, the approximately 4 months. Okay, so within the 4 months the written examination was conducted in last time. Okay, was conducted in last month. So what would be the expected date? Okay, so if the last time the examination was conducted in this 4 month, within 4 months, then can we assume that our 2024 the lecture examination going to be conducted in this within 4 months? As we all know, as we all know as we all know, the date of notification was of 2024 is 9 March 2024. Okay, 9 March 2024, and last date was the day before yesterday. The day before yesterday, that is how 19 April 2024. That means your online application has been closed. Okay, okay, so closed. Okay, so now what would be our steps? Okay, what would be our steps? Hope you all apply. Hope you all applied for this the online applications. Okay, and what would be the our expected date of examination? Now the exam is going to held because your online application has been closed. That means at any time they can release your admit card. So what is expected date? We can assume the expected date will be the, can we consider it the June? Question mark. Can we consider the expected date of examination is going to held on month of June? Is it or not? So to address this question, I can draw a logic from the previous trend. Okay, what we can do? We can draw a logic from the previous trend, and accordingly we can assume. Let me clear one thing, that it might be like my assumption or our prediction might be wrong, or it can be like something else. I cannot 100% guarantee you that in this month only exam is going to held, but I can predict, I can provide you a proper logic based date on the basis of previous year 10. So that is our idea. Why I am presenting this idea? Because until unless you have a not clear cut idea of the examination, you feel that let's study after 1 month, let's study after 1 week. In that way your day is going to pass and you don't know when exam date will be released. And after release of your admit card, you will come to me, then say, sir, prepare us, provide us, we will prepare, we will want to crack the examination this attempt only. No, it is not like that. Okay, it is not like that. The examination system is going to change. So if you really want, if you really know the trajectory of this examination, we should know about the date plan, and accordingly join with us for preparation. For example, here as I said, the date of examination within the 4 month. Okay, take place within the 4 month. So we can say here, or we can expect that this time also the exam will be going to conduct within this 4 month. For example, it's the month of March, then it's the month of April, then the 3 month remain. 3 month remain in the sense we can say that April, the May, then June. Okay, so we can assume that within this like duration of June, or it can be your July. Okay, June or July, because if you count here the 3 plus 4, that means it's going to 7, and 7 means your July. So we can say that in the month of June there can be a release of admit card of your 2024 lectures. Okay, 2024 lecture of SSB, there can be a admit card, and the examination is going to be held in July as per the previous trend basis assumption. Okay, let me clear one thing, that on the basis of previous base trend, our expected date would be that June, in the month of June there will be a release of admit card, and in the month of July there will be examination of the basically SSB lecture is going to held. So this is how the clear cut picture of your whole deadline with respect to SSB lecture. Hope you all clear this idea, because you have to make a proper time na, that in this time I am going to do all the things, that time I will do cover this unity, and within this week I will try to attempt this mock test and that mock test, and we have to practice accordingly as per our examination date. So we need to be prepared for that, because this is the thing we are systematically doing. Okay, and one thing that if you will be like some of will ask me, sir, like as we know exam this 2024 day year is known as the election year, and in our Odisha going to face two election. One is the legislative assembly election, state legislative assembly election. Another one is the general Lok Sabha election. Another one is the general Lok Sabha election. So most of will be asked, sir, does the examinations schedule is going to clash with the or the election schedule, or the election schedule is going to postpone our examination, or something there is a change with respect to our examination. So if I will come to your answer, then let me clear one thing, that in the like month of June, the the election is going to over. In the month of June, in first week only, the June 1, the election poll is going to be over, and June 4, the election result is before you. Okay, election result is before you. That means in the month of, we can say that June, there will be a your admit card, and July in the examination. So before our examination, we can say that there will be a the result of election, and election work is over. So there is no problematic for us, okay, with respect to our examination. So this is how the tentative date, okay, we can assume in this way, because this thing, in my preparation of JRF examination, we try to like presumption, okay, we try to expected the date of the net and different thing, and our teacher help us with respect to that thing, and my responsibility that tell you that what would be the going through the examination date and the different thing. So we can say that we have to, within the month of June, we have to cover all the our syllabus. So most of people ask me, sir, like what would be our next approach if you like can presume the date of examination and admit card? How can we smartly prepare? How can we do all the things before our examination? Because there is a lot of things, and we don't need to hurry in our during the examination. We have to very cool and go with very calm, because we are in a right way, we are in a right strategy. From very beginning, we are trying to cover different related question and concept in our YouTube channel. So there is no need to hurry. So you will ask me, sir, what to do, what our next step? Simply I can tell you, no need to worry. Those are joining with me from earlier, or those are joining in between, don't worry, we are with you. Okay, we are with you, that you just join with us each and every session, and each and every YouTube video you have to follow. We are in a systematic way. Let you know one thing, that in this YouTube channel only we have covered the political sociology, your Odisha politics, your IPT, your comparative politics, your Odisha politics, your IPT and the comparative politics. These are top unity, and that require a lot of hard work and dedication to compilation of a short and crisp note. And we have already did our work. Now we are in the in the in the series of the political theory. Very soon we will able to cover that thing with the expected questions. So in that manner, before the June, okay, sorry, within the month of June, we will able to cover all the things. And whenever we get the admit card, as I said, in the month of June, we will try to practice as much as possible, and make sure that this time is no one is going to defeat odds. Okay, we will ensure that from our channel only there will be a successful candidate. Okay, so that is our target. And be serious. If you are still in the bed, if you are still sleep, please wake up, please push off. And this is the battle which we have to fight with all together. Okay, hope you all agree with this point. And this is all about this basically idea of the expected date of SSB examination. Let's share with your friend and make them aware that the exam is now going to held within the timeline. So this is how the objective, that we should be aware, be conscious that in this month we have to do all the things. Then accordingly, whenever the date is announced, we will try to push up ourselves or warm up ourselves. Okay, so this is the idea. So I told to you all about the expected date and different thing. And before ending this video, would like to take you all the latest notification of SSB, which was released in 19 April 2024. That means the last date of our SSB lecture application. Okay, the SSB lecture application last date, they release a document. What does it mean? What the mention in the document? Simply that those are unable to download the their application form due to the payment issue or wrong ID and different thing, now they can basically do successfully download the application form through in this website of SSB through the payment related query portal. Okay, through the payment related query portal you can download your application successfully. It's for those who are unable to download their application form successful with respect to SSP examination, with respect to SSP lecture. Okay, so this is how the latest notification. Please mark your attention here, and the deadline is going to be 23 April to 26th April. This is going to be a tentative date. uh, okay, and the application will be available on basically 1 May to the 4th May. Okay, so this is the latest notification. Please mark attention here and do share with your friend, because most of them are unable to download the final successful the application basically form. Okay, so please share with the friend, they will also get benefit out of it. Okay, again I am repeating that those are facing the problem with respect to downloading the final application form, for them this is the very important. Okay guys, this is all about from my side for the today session. Hope you found it interesting and valuable. So thank you everyone for joining this session, and lastly, if you like our effort, do subscribe, and if you like our effort, do press the like button, and do press the bell icon, that you will not miss such kind of precious video. Thank you guys, have a nice day, and do subscribe our channel, because this is the only source of motivation to me, which I am always try to bring such unique information and the expected date and unique content with you, and hope you will all get benefit out of you. Thank you so much.